Today, we are going to learn about task flows, which is one of the UX design techniques. Introduction. A task flow is a clear, step-by-step path that shows how a single user completes one specific task within a product. It focuses on one main goal and outlines the exact sequence of actions taken to achieve it. In simple terms, task flow is equal to the user's step-by-step journey to successfully complete one goal. This shows a simple login task flow where the user follows a clear, linear sequence of steps to access their account. How task flows help? Understand how a user completes a task. Identify unnecessary steps. Guide wireframes and prototypes. Improve usability. Characteristics of a task flow. Focuses on one user goal. Shows linear step-by-step process. Uses simple text or icons. Ends when the task is completed. Structure of a task flow. A task flow usually includes these steps. Entry point. The starting screen or trigger where the user begins the task. Action steps. A clear sequence of steps the user follows to achieve the goal. Decision-free path. A simple, linear flow without branches or alternative routes. Completion point. The final step, where the user successfully finishes the task. Task flow symbols. These are simple shapes that help us visually represent how a user completes a task. Shape and their meaning. Circle. This represents the start or end of a task. Rectangle. This represents an action step. Rounded rectangle. This represents a screen or page. Arrow. This shows the flow direction. Now let's see one simple example of a task flow for a food ordering app. Step 1 is open Zomato Swiggy app. Launch the food delivery app to start ordering. Next, search restaurant. Here, enter the restaurant name or cuisine in the search bar. Next, explore menu. Browse available dishes and check prices and ratings. Next is proceed to checkout. Here, review selected items and move to the payment page. Select address, choose or add the delivery location. Finally, complete payment. Pay using your preferred payment method to place the order. How task flows guide UX designers. Design the right number of screens. Use only the necessary screens to complete the task without overwhelming the user. Reduce extra steps. Remove unnecessary actions to make the process faster and simpler. Improve task completion time. Optimize the flow so users can finish tasks quickly and efficiently. Identify pain points. Detect areas where users face confusion, delays, or frustration. Here we are looking at the difference between task flow and user flow. A task flow follows a linear path. A user flow includes multiple paths. There are no decision points, meaning the user follows a straight sequence of steps from start to finish. User flow contains decision points, like if and else situations, where users can choose different options. Task flow focuses on completing one specific task. User flow represents the entire user journey, not just one task. It is simple because it doesn't have any decision points. User flow, it is more complex because it is having different decision points. Because of its features, it is quick to create. While coming to user flow, it should be more detailed, so it takes more time compared to a task flow. Benefits of using task flows. Better clarity for designers. Provides a clear understanding of user goals and step-by-step interactions. Helps in wireframing. Guides the structure and layout of screens before detailed design. Helps reduce cognitive load. Simplifies tasks so users can complete them with less mental effort. Ensures users complete tasks easily. Creates a smooth, logical flow that supports successful task completion. Finally, conclusion. Task Flow helps simplify complex processes by focusing on one clear user goal and showing a direct path to completion. It improves user experience by reducing confusion, minimizing steps, and ensuring smooth task completion.